They're in the gate. And they're off. Mayel Prada breaks very sharply. Favored, Formal Rush showing good speed from the rail between the clouds. On the outside, Delicate Dynamite, and farther out still, My Three Sisters and Suksky taking a keen hold of the trail of the field at the clubhouse turn, where Formal Rush is coming up now to engage Mayel Prada past the 7/8 pole. Delicate Dynamite is well up running in third. My Three Sisters a wide fourth. Between the clouds, settled there at the fence, and then 3.5 lengths back to Suksky, running in sixth. The opening quarter, 25 seconds flat. They race up the backstretch. Robbie Alvarado and Formal Rush, 6-5 at the off, and Formal Rush leads by a half length. Delicate Dynamite right there on the outside, flanking the front runner, with Mayel Prada now settled back in third. A length and a half to My Three Sisters between the clouds. Red Gold Sleeves now threading through between horses. 4 furlongs to go, and Suksky still 8 lengths last. Half mile, 49-4. They go into the far turn. Formal Rush in front of Delicate Dynamite, 3.5 furlongs to go. Mayel Prada, My Three Sisters alongside. Between the clouds now being driven in fifth, and Suksky still has 7 lengths to find, halfway through the far turn. Formal Rush just holding Delicate Dynamite. My Three Sisters now coming with a wide and hopeful run above the quarter pole. Mayel back then. Suksky up the inside, and between the clouds is last into the stretch. 3/4, 1:15-4. Down to this final furlong. Delicate Dynamite has come away in front. My Three Sisters toward the rail. Formal Rush now under pressure between horses. Mayel Prada threading through. They're coming down toward the wire. Gerard Melanson and Delicate Dynamite taken in hand. Delicate Dynamite jogs over the sloppy track to win by 5. Mayel Prada, My Three Sisters, a nose very close for second. Formal Rush was fourth.